When you go to Amazon.com and they amazingly know you need a new tennis racket, or type Facebook into a browser and your newsfeed automatically pops up, it's all thanks to tiny, often ignored files called cookies. Cookies make surfing the web easier, but they also make maintaining your privacy harder. And now Firefox, one of the world's most popular internet browsers, is experimenting with new restrictions on cookies. Craig Timburg has been writing about it, joins us now. Good to see you, Craig.
Thank you.
So what would they be doing exactly? What restrictions on cookies are they proposing?
So Firefox is testing a new version that would limit what they call third-party cookies. Now this isn't something like Amazon where they're keeping track of your shopping and helping you track your orders as they move around. It has to do with really advertisers and these tracking cookies that are really along the sides of websites, and there can be dozens of them as you move around the web.
Cookies from places we never actually visit.
Right.
And we have actually a graphical way to demonstrate this. It's a Firefox add-on called Collusion. So let's see how this works. I'm going to go to bestbuy.com. Let's see what happens.
So right here in the middle already, that's Best Buy.
Yeah.
And now Google's ad tracker is tracking you. And there's these other ones as well, right?
Even though we never monetize, I don't even know what this is. I've never heard of it. They're tracking me.
Right.
And now let's see what happens. Like, let's say we click on a product. I'm going to click on some TVs here. Looks like a good deal. Always a good deal on TVs. What's going to happen to who's tracking us? Wow, look at that.
So all of these little circles here know that you're looking for a TV. Not merely a TV, but that TV. And so as you move around the web, other websites will be looking at what these little circles here are telling them about what you're interested in.
And of course, it's not just electronic or consumer companies. It's also a lot of media companies trying to sell ads. Here's Gawker, and wow, look at this.
Right, so there's the Gawker site. There's Facebook is keeping an eye on you. This is an analytics firm that is tracking you. And notice that now you have cookies that are talking to other cookies. Here's DoubleClick in the middle. That's Google's ad server. And it knows that you've been to Best Buy, and it knows that you've been to Gawker. And they're all now communicating with each other.
And we should say, a lot of folks are doing this. We won't leave ourselves out. The Post is also leaving some third-party cookies when you visit WashingtonPost.com. So
that's right. So there's the Washington Post site. That's our affiliated site, Slate. And then again, these are advertiser cookies, ad network cookies that are running on our site that now know something about you and can communicate it to other sites.
So this would all stop with Firefox's change?
No. The Washington Post could still track Washington Post users. The Best Buy could still track Best Buy users. And in fact, there's good reasons in terms of functionality for that to happen. But these things around the edges, or you've never intentionally visited those sites, those are the ones who stand to lose out if Mozilla changes Firefox in this way. And it's worth noting that this is how Apple already has their browser configured. So if you're using an iPhone, an iPad, a Mac, you're already the Safari browser already is keeping these kinds of cookies off your machine. But they're allowing Facebook, they're allowing Washington Post, they're allowing BestBuy.com, these places that you're intentionally going to.
But business groups are very upset that Mozilla might do this.
Particularly the business groups who represent these guys, right? These guys stand to lose a lot of what makes them effective and profitable. And they'll argue that not only does this kind of, what they call behavioral advertising make them money, but it also underwrites all sorts of services you probably like your Gmail or your search engines or WashingtonPost.com for that matter. Advertising makes all this work.
Okay, Craig, very interesting stuff. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure.
That'll do it for us for tonight. We will fold things up. Hope to see you back here Monday.